Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall a Eero app and return router to factory settings step by step clearly. Begin by opening the Eero app on your smartphone or tablet. Log in with your account credentials if prompted. From the home screen, locate the settings menu. Tap on the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to find the option labeled Network Settings. Select this option to proceed. Look for the Remove Network or Delete Network option. Confirm the action when prompted to ensure you want to delete the network. Once the network is removed, return to the main settings menu. Next, you will need to uninstall the Eero app. On your device, locate the Eero app icon. Press and hold the icon until a menu appears. Select Uninstall or Remove App from the options. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. Now, to reset your Eero router to factory settings, locate the physical device. Find the Reset button on the back or bottom of the Eero device. Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the Reset button. Keep holding it for about 10 to 15 seconds until the LED light flashes. This indicates the router is resetting to factory settings. Wait for the router to reboot completely. Once the LED light stabilizes, your Eero router is now reset. Your network is removed, and the router is set to its original factory state. You're now ready for a fresh start with your Eero network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.